Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Yeah, on the Doge chart, I'm just watching for signals that a pullback has started. We don't really see much of a pullback at the moment. This is, of course, too small, what we see here. Too small at the moment to indicate that the next wave down, the next pullback, has actually started. Quick reminder of the two scenarios, both bullish at the moment, that we're tracking here after the price reacted to the main support region on the larger time frame, which was defined between 11 cents and 7.3 cents. Apparently, or at least it seems likely, that a B wave bottomed on the 5th of August, and we have a 5-wave move up from that low. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. This is a so-called diagonal pattern. It's not impulsive. So there are always a couple of ways how these diagonals can be interpreted. I have one, let's say, short and direct pathway, which is the yellow count, where we already have a 5-wave move up completed. Now we are on high alert for a first signal that the wave 2 has started. Question came up, how can I confirm the wave 2 is unfolding? Well, I would need to see a first move down in an A wave, then a corrective rally, and that would be our AB, and then we can watch for the C wave down. So once I have the first 5-wave move down in what could be wave A, then I can give you resistance for wave B. And then we can say, okay, probably wave C is now coming, and then I can give you a target. At the moment, I have a standard support area, which is already known to you if you watched the previous videos. I think it's likely wave 2 starts from this region, but I mean, there is, there's just a 2% setback today. It's not noteworthy at all, right? So I can't confirm that yet. Higher is still possible, also more directly. If that's the case, though, I mean, the risk is just high. That's what the analysis tells us. The risk for that pullback is now high. And if, however, we form another high and break above today's swing high, 15.7 cents and 16.8 cents are the next upside levels to watch, from where the price could start the next pullback, which could be wave 2 in yellow. However, the alternative, or let's say the more extended diagonal pattern is the white count, in which absolutely the price could easily form one more high in this third wave. Again, I just gave you the next levels to watch. The higher we go, I think the more likely the white count gets, because then it's just an extended diagonal pattern where we have a wave 1, a wave 2, A, B, C, and wave 3, like Bitcoin. In Bitcoin's white count, if you watch the Bitcoin videos, and then another 4-5 pattern before we start the wave 2, because this 5-wave move in an extended format would complete wave 1. Then the wave 2 should follow then with an adjusted support area, because this support area is moving support until we have a defined top. And then from down here, third wave rally can start. So that's at the moment how I see Doge, which means I cannot yet confirm that a wave 2 pullback or any, it's about, okay, is it wave 4 or wave 2? We will have to see, but at the moment I can't even confirm that it started, any one of them. I can tell you that if a pullback starts now, I'm going to watch for a wave 2. But I need to see that first, either like micro 5-wave move down, and corrective pullback, or a little bit more of a substantial pullback than what we've seen here, because literally the market's simply just moving sideways. At least a bit more downside, a lower high, and then another lower low would be good, or something like that. Depending on how it's a bit difficult to say. It's too small, this time frame. If we see this and it breaks below that low, that would be more evidence that we've actually reached a local top. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.